Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to check for and potentially snag a discount on your TradingView subscription for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking to save a little or you're just getting started and want the best deal, this step-by-step method will help make sure you never miss out on special offers. Let's dive right in. So to begin, head over to the TradingView website. You can use your favorite web browser and it works great on both desktop and mobile. Take a moment to log in if you haven't already, that way any personalized offers TradingView has for you will actually show up. Once you're in, look toward the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small chat icon, that's the chat assistant. Click on it to open up the live support chat. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment to finish loading, since sometimes it can take a few seconds for that assistant to appear, especially if your internet is a touch slow. Now with the chat assistant open, type in this phrase exactly, "How to get TradingView Discount 2025 Guide." Hit enter and wait a couple of moments for the automated response. What's happening here is that you're prompting TradingView's smart assistant to give you all the latest details about current discount offers. This is actually one of the quickest ways to get up-to-date information, because TradingView frequently updates their promotions based on the time of year or specific sales events. Usually the assistant will let you know that TradingView's biggest discounts pop up during special occasions like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or various seasonal sales. It's a bit like those flash sales you might see at your local store. They don't last long and the timing can be unpredictable, so it's good to know when to check. The chat will also remind you that discount availability can change depending on your location, so not everyone sees the same deals at the same time. One really helpful tip the chat assistant gives is to check your email inbox for any notifications from TradingView. A lot of their best offers get sent directly via email, and sometimes they're even targeted to specific countries or states. So if you see a message from TradingView in your inbox, don't ignore it. That could be your ticket to saving some serious cash. If you don't find any discount emails, don't worry or get discouraged. That usually just means there isn't an offer in your region right now, but new promotions tend to come around, so keep an eye out. You can even set a reminder for those big sales events like Black Friday if you're the extra prepared type. In addition to email, you can always visit the TradingView pricing page directly for any available promotions. After you follow the link the chat provides, just look for banners or highlighted pricing. TradingView makes it pretty obvious when a discount is running. If you see a special deal, simply follow the instructions on that page to claim your discount. And here's a key point to remember: discounts typically apply to the first payment only. After your discounted term ends, your subscription will auto-renew at the normal price, so be sure you know when that happens. And if you're someone who already has a subscription, don't worry. TradingView usually lets you apply a new promotion even while your account is active, so go ahead and take advantage of any discount you find. You won't miss out just because you already signed up. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, maybe about specific sales or your own TradingView account, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. For more tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a money-saving tip. Thanks for watching and happy trading.